Okay, welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I wanna ask you to play to another place. Okay, but before, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Goons1414. You see in my videos, you can see kind of village. That's kind of village in the central Java, and this place we can ask our children to play here, and they can see another animals. They can play with the animals, and this animal's names is a horse. Okay, wait. Yep, you can see all around of this place. We can take a walk here. We can enjoy the moment. We can see a nice view here. Yuppie! And in this place, wow, there are white place. Oh, many people's there. People just asking the horse to come in us. Yeah, the children will interested with this. They can play the horse. They can do the exercise by the horse. Yep, you can find this place actually in Central Java, Indonesia. Wow, the children was excited to play with the horse here. Okay, dearest friends, someday you can visiting this place, asking your family here to playing the working horse, and it's actually the real horse here. Okay, thank you. You can see my others video. You can see my others video, and you can subscribe my channels here. Okay, thank you. See you on the next videos.